to choose, I stop and think. Should I do it or maybe blink? Yes, no, maybe, so what's right today? Let's make good choices along the way. If a friend says let's share a toy, I shout yes with happy joy. But if someone says let's be unkind, I shake my head and use my mindset. Yes, no, maybe, so think it through before you go. Good decisions help us grow. Yes, no, maybe, so should I run inside? Oh no. Should I help my friend? I'll go. Every time I stop to see, I choose what's best for you and me.